Life's a winding road, a song half sung, moments fleeting fast like dust in sun. We chase the dawn but stumble in the night, a canvas painted shadows splashed with light. Oh, it's a symphony of joy and tears, a dance of courage facing unknown years. Hold the highs, let the lows untie. Life's a melody, we learn to fly. Some days roar like storms, some whisper low. Scars we carve are maps of where we go. Laughter echoes in the cracks of pain, a fragile bloom that grows beneath the rain. Time's a thief, but leaves its gold behind. Stars we clutch when paths are hard to find. Yet roots run deep and true. The heart remembers what the mind outgrew. Oh, it's a symphony of joy and tears, a dance of courage facing unknown years. Hold the highs, let the lows untie. Life's a melody, we learn to fly. So breathe the chaos, find the tune unsung, for every end is where beginnings hum, in the quiet hum of midnight scope. We're all just stardust learning how to hope.